Guys, you have got to get me out of here. This dragon is bananas. Oh, hello. It's my music explorers. How are you? Oh, I'm just here chilling with the dragon. You won't believe this. Some of you might know that I really like classical music. Guess who else really likes classical music? The dragon! So we've just been jamming to some Mozart over here. And don't look at my hand, cheater. Oh, you're gonna go to the bathroom? Okay, well, don't forget to wash your hands. It's very important. Okay. Okay, he's gone. Guys, you have got to get me out of here. This dragon is bananas, and he won't give me Patrick's treasure back. I've asked him like 5 times. Okay, so it seems like the dragon really likes to rhyme. And I am thinking he's going to challenge us to a rhyming duel. So here's what I need you to do. I need you to practice really hard at home, coming up with your own rhymes, and then meet me back here. And we are going to create some rhymes together at the same time to defeat the dragon. So meet me here. Facebook Live. We're going to do it. All right. Oh, he's coming back.